If you hire a professional marketing agency, this is likely one of the first things that they will do. And the cool thing is you don't need a marketing agency to do this. You can easily do it yourself. And that's knowing your audience by developing a detailed customer avatar. Now, there is a good chance you've already heard of this, but today we are going over 10 better questions to answer when defining your customer avatar. And you might want to save this one for later. Number one, what are their concerns related to your product or service? Number two, what has happened in the past that has led them to this point? How do they feel about what has happened in the past? What about your product or service matters most to this person? How does it solve a need, pain, or make them feel good? How does it better their life? What goes through their mind before purchasing your product or service? What is the final straw that makes them want to move forward and purchase your product or service? What are they experiencing without your product or service? And what will they experience with your product or service? And if you want free access to my Marketing Makeover Toolkit, it comes with the Website Makeover video course, which is 4 tactical videos to help you clarify your website messaging and grow your business. It also comes with my Create Content That Converts. It's a complete guide to create valuable website content that attracts and converts your ideal customer. And then you will get the Customer Avatar Builder. It's going to allow you to create a customer avatar that engages and connects with your audience. And you also get the brand guideline template. Just DM me the word toolkit on Instagram.